are incredibly diverse. There are over 1,400 species of bats, making them the second largest order of mammals after rodents. They come in various sizes, ranging from the tiny bumblebee bat, which is about the size of a bumblebee, to the large flying foxes, which have a wingspan of up to 6 feet. Bats are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are active during the night. Their eyesight is generally adapted to low light conditions, but they rely heavily on echolocation to navigate and find prey. Echolocation is a biological sonar system where bats emit high-pitched sounds and listen for the echoes bouncing back from objects, allowing them to see in the dark.